Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to read Chapter 3 in your reader, the muscular system. So we're going to learn all about our muscles and how they work together. This is going to be a close read, so remember you can read the page, follow along, and then you're going to go back and find some answers to questions for me. On page 18, you're going to be listening for what muscles do and why they're important to us. Okay, so we're listening for what muscles do and why they're important to us. Chapter 3, the muscular system. Have you ever seen a movie or a TV show in which skeletons chase people? I saw a cartoon like that the other day. These kids were trying to solve a mystery, but they were having problems. Every time they went out to look for clues, a skeleton would pop out of a grave and chase them around. Well, as a doctor, I have to tell you, that's just not very realistic. Bones don't move all by themselves. In fact, bones don't go anywhere at all without muscles. When I bend my arm, I do it by using muscles. I tighten the muscles in my arm, and the muscles make the bones and the rest of the arm move. When you kick a ball, it's the same thing. You tighten the muscles in your legs in order to move your leg bones. So boys and girls, you're going to answer the question, why are muscles important to us and what do they do? On page 20, you're going to be listening so that you can fill in the sentence, there are about blank muscles in our bodies. This slide shows you some of the muscles in the muscular system. You can see that there are lots of muscles in our bodies. There are about 650 muscles in the human body, in fact. About a half of your body's weight comes from muscles. On page 21, boys and girls, you're going to listen and you're going to answer the question, in what ways are muscles important to us? Muscles are important to us for many reasons. Can you think of some? Muscles help us run and jump. They allow us to stand up and sit down. We use muscles when we lift heavy objects. We also use them when we chew our food and when we smile. We even use muscles when we breathe. And you can see the picture there, muscles help us run. So boys and girls, you're going to have to tell me 2 ways that muscles help us. On page 22, I want you to listen to the difference between involuntary muscles and voluntary muscles. Doctors divide muscles into 2 groups, voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. Voluntary muscles are muscles that you can make move and control. Involuntary muscles are muscles that you can't control. Involuntary muscles work without you even thinking about them. These muscles work automatically. The muscles that help you move your arms and legs are voluntary muscles. When you want to pick up a box, you think about it and then tighten the muscles in your arms so you can lift the box. You can also control the muscles in your legs when you want to make your body run or jump. And you can see the caption there says, you move the voluntary muscles in your legs to make your body run. So for this question, you're going to tell me the difference between voluntary and involuntary muscles. On page 23, I want you to listen to the reading and fill in the blank. Your body uses blank muscles in order to make your stomach digest food. The muscles in your heart, however, are involuntary muscles. They keep your heart beating whether you are awake or asleep. You don't have to think, it's time to beat again, heart. These muscles work automatically. There are involuntary muscles in your stomach as well. Your stomach muscles keep digesting your food without you reminding them to do the job. Make sure you've answered all the questions, boys and girls, and I hope you enjoyed learning about the muscular system.